Hi guys, time check. It's 5:28 a.m. and today is June 24, Wednesday. And today is my graduation day. Graduation ko ngayon. Am I excited or nervous? Let's go for our graduation pic. Konting-konti na lang. Konting step na lang kasi parang eto na, graduation pic na. Konti na lang. Malapit na. Hindi ka sure. Gusto mo sana po ta? Jet ang payat ng mukha. Gumana yung contour. Gumana yung contour natin, guys. Today is our creative shoot for our graduation. Yes, madami tayong shoot. May next shoot pa tayo. Akala mo talaga. Ano to? Self-shoot studio. So, para makapag-picture kami dalawa. Hindi naman laging pwede siya yung photographer ko. So, hindi kami na-contento. May studio shoot na kami, which is okay naman yung mga picture ngayon. Tinry namin mag-out or baka may makuha tayong magandang shot. Dito tayo sa may Coco, dito sa may capital town. Bulong lang ako kasi kami lang ang tao dito. Nag-shoot na ako sa labas, siya na yung next. Hi guys! Yes, nakatoga na tayo. So we're here in UA sa aking minamahal na paaralan. Kami ay magpo-photoshoot ng nakatoga dito sa campus. Yung peg namin ngayon is yung ano lang, takbo-takbo sa campus na nakatoga. Kasama natin si Paula, ang ating photographer for today. Nag-ask na kami ng help kasi di natin kakayanin na kami lang dalawa. So, i-shoot lang natin or magpipicture tayo dito sa around school. Kumbaga campus, ikot tayo.
Ikaw, di mo ba talaga?
Guys, we're done. Grabe. Dry na kami. Thank you so much, Paula.
Welcome. Time check. 2:43.
2:43. Sabi ko kay Paula, matatapos tayo ng 2 p.m. Siguro late na yun, kako. Hindi, kasalanan nung ay, binention. 1 hour bago ata dumating yung pagkain. Pero yun guys, I think ito na yung last shoot namin for graduation. Dami naming shoot eh. Ko-compile ko niyan yun. Grad pic, tapos yung creative shot, tapos yung ngayon. So, congratulations self. Mabuhay ka. See you sa graduation. Guys, today it's our graduation rehearsal. Today it's June 23, Thursday. And Tuesday. Today magre-rehearse lang tayo. Pare, mag-smile ka pare. Ngayon, rehearse lang tayo ng stage. Then mamaya, may dance kami and ako yung magtuturo. Ginawa ko yung dance namin for our graduation. Ito na yung last performance ko dito sa UA. And nandito tayo sa Kingsborough. Malapit lang to sa amin. Anong nararamdaman mo? Gagraduate ka na?
Wala. Once malungkot.
Wala na kami ng baon guys. Mag-uumpisa na yung pagiging tambay na kami niyan. Wala na tayong baon. Pero ito safe to sa buhay eh. Kapitan na to eh. Graduate nito, kapitan to. Kagawad. Magna-transition kami ngayon. Hindi ko alam paano namin ito matatapos bukas kasi bukas ng graduation namin. Abangan nyo ako matutuloy itong transition. Orientation, ganito lang siya. Sabihin ko, guys, jump shot tayo ha. 3, 2, 1, jump. Yun lang.
Wait lang.
The boarding. Guys, jump shot tayo ha. Let's go! In 3, 2, guys. Finally, it's our graduation day. Ayan yung makeup ko. Makeup yan kaya pangit, di ba? It's coronation day! Na-move na namin to sa right. Left? From right to left. Guys, nagdi-distribute na tayo ng ayuda. Pasa mo. Pasa mo sa kabila. Medyo mahaba-haba to. Kailangan natin ng sugar.
So today's our graduation, guys. So masabi ko lang is, I'm so thankful na nakilala ko sila. It was a perfect batch for me kasi different personalities, different strengths and all. So I wish you all guys, I wish you all the best and I wish you all the best in my life. I wish you all the best in my life.
First and foremost, congratulations for surviving 4 years.
Hard work. Oh, meron ganun. May hard work ba? Nag-hard work ba? Joke. Hindi man ako nag-review kapag exam eh.
Thank you for being there and for being always there for each other. Na palagi natin sinasalo yung isa't isa, gano'n. Thank you for being a big part of my life and I would not be who I am today without the people who are surrounding me, which is Sibyl Wen.
Kasi kami magkakasing.
Nasa likod magkatabi dito.
Ano lang, be good sa life. Tapos, okay lang magyabang. Ang mahalaga, may mapopost ka sa My Day tsaka story, di ba ako? Yan, grabe na tayo.
Ito ng reviews. Hi! Hello, Luis Ola. All I can say is, oh my goodness, we're so graduating. Good na. I hope you like it.
May message ako sa'yo, Drew. Salamat. Sabi tingnan nito. Salamat sa memories. Salamat. Kasi naging perfect ka ng color. Naiyak ako sa Good luck. Alam ko magiging artista ka. Kaya papa-autograph na ako sa'yo. Okay.
Hello, Lu. Ano ba? Ayan, sana kung naging artista ka, wag mo kaming kalimutan. Narinig ba ako? Di ko alam. Pero ayun, good luck. Yun lang. Bye-bye. See you on back. See you sa Baguio.
Yun, graduation na. Good luck din sa sa future. Kasi sa bago po yun. Yun. More money to come. Pag may opportunity, yan kagad, i-grab na kagad.
We have recognized Father Lalo, Dr. Zina, and the concerned Assistant Vice President for Academic Affairs, and the Deans of the Curricular Programs for the awarding of the awards.
Graduate na kami! Hi! Dito.
Ano ba pasalam? Oops. Hi guys. Welcome to our vlog. What's vibes?
What's busy? Ano ba, vlog? Ito matitingan. Hi. How are you? Congrats to you guys. Balik po daw. Hi guys. Hi Sophia, you miss you so much. Hi Luis.
We now also request every
Luis,
citizen
kapag naging artista ka, gawin mo ako road manager mo. Sige, ako ng makeup artist mo. Ako yung road manager ng makeup artist.
We
Kami
now
ano,
stand up
production.
from the School of Education, Doctor of Philosophy, Major in Educational Management, Arbel and Sipan. Summa cum laude.
Tayo, aakyat na kami guys. Let's go. Cum laude babies. Hello, cheers. Magna and cum laude. Loyalty Award! Ba't mo kasi nakuha yung Loyalty Award, Nick?
Since kinder po, nakita ko
Since kinder sa UA na siya nag-aral hanggang mag-graduate siya ng college, kaya deserve niya. May speech pa yan mamaya. May small gift tayo sa mga kaklase ko. Gumawa ko ng letter. So ibibigay na natin siya ngayon kasi mamaya bakit ko na magbigay. Ano to, very special letter na hindi nila makakalimutan. First letter we have... Second letter we have... Photocard ko yan, bibigay ko sa kanila. Congratulations, Bachelor 26. You did it. Papabunutin natin sila, guys. Inimit mo rin yan sa Wala nakakuha ng rare na photocard. Hindi kaya ka. Papaswerte yan, gaga. Gaga? Gaga ng trabaho. Mag-candy ka muna, mag-candy ka muna. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog! Oh, plastikan na. Guys, thanks at content. Bye.
Spacey, I've been lost inside a daydream. These hopes of mine could really break me or catch me by surprise.
Huli, magpapapansin kami, guys.
Sun-kissed skin inside a basement. LA kids just trying to make it before the next sunrise.
Dito po kulang yan.
So who's that knocking at your door? Feels like we've been here before.
Nakakuha ng 1,000. Am I excited or nervous? Alam nyo, nung una sabi ko, try ko lang mag-Dean's Lister. Walang pressure. Parang gusto ko lang sundan yung yapak ng kuya ko kasi Dean's Lister din siya, President's Lister. Then, nag-Dean's Lister tayo. Then, during awarding, nakita ko si Kelsey and Shelo. Dun sa harap ko kasi President's Lister sila, ako Dean's Lister. So, basically, nasa likod nila ako. Ayoko dito sa likod nila. Gusto kong tumabi sa kanila. Balang araw, tatabi ako sa kanila. Then it happens, nag-President's Lister tayo. Then, another question, parang, kaya ko bang mag-cum laude? Kahit cum laude man lang, parang hindi ko na kaya yung magna or summa. Sige, try natin. And now, here I am, your cum laude. So, to my friends, family, batchmates, thank you so much for your love and support. Lalo sa Sapiensya, thank you for all the good memories. Sobrang good memories, guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for staying true to who you are. Thank you for choosing courage over comfort. And for continuing kahit na malabo yung path na tinatahak mo. So to myself, keep dreaming, keep challenging yourself, and keep being authentic. And finally, congratulations, Luis, and congratulations, everyone. We made it.